migratory species choose Bermuda as their resting point, as it is a very good spot. And we also have endemic species here like the cahao, so it's important that they survive in order for the species to continue.
It's necessary for people to be aware of what's happening so they could help out and know how to help out. So you could put up bird boxes, and it's just better to have more people involved than just have one person.
So without bees, our flowers wouldn't be pollinated, so a lot of our food would disappear.
The bee population is declining because of the chemicals we use in our crops and because toads and lizards are eating them. It's also declining because of the diseases that are spreading through the bees.
And talk to your local beekeeper about setting up a beehive in your backyard. It's free, inexpensive, and get free honey.
Stop using chemicals. They kill all insects, including bees.